Hello guys, today this is my first video with my voice and I'm gonna play Sons of the Forest. Don't be confused, I'm German, that's why my game is on German. I'm going to make the game extra hard, like the enemy health, the enemy damage, the enemy armor, the enemy aggression and the search squads. Yeah, that's it. Starting at spring. Yes, I want to make a super hardcore series on Sons of the Forest. So I hope I get the snow area as a spawn, like I showed you in my one video with the best start that I made. I'm going to skip it because we all know the cutscene. Okay, I got the beach start. I don't like it much, but it's okay. I will figure out something to get a starting round. Yeah, and again, don't be confused, my game is in German. Whoa. Okay. I don't know what happened there. Oh, okay. But that one briefcase is now gone. Okay, Kelvin, follow me. Okay, my plan is to get the machete and then make another route to... Oops. Make another route for loot. Did you know the machete was this far away or on this side? I didn't know it. I found it myself on my second playthrough when I traveled with the Night V. Because you will see a smoke, a red smoke soon. right there. Yeah, here's the machete on this sleeping bag. Always destroy a computer or a laptop if you see one. For the platine, I don't know how to call it in English. Maybe it's the same. Alright, now the plan is to go to the first purple circle and get the flashlight and the modern axe. And after that, maybe the one cave with the blueprint, because there's some loot, and swim across to the pistol. I hope you find that my videos are going to be uncut, because I like uncut. And leave a comment or something else if you like content with voice or with not. Okay, maybe I can try to kill the moose with some spears and maybe the machete. Maybe this will work. Okay. Come back, moose. Come back. Yes, yes, okay. What the... Okay. Okay, bye. Didn't I aim for it or what? I don't know. The aiming line was on the moose. The problem could be... Oh, okay. The problem could be that I was crouched or something. I don't know. Okay. can try. No. Ah, damn. Man, I hate hunting animals in this game. No, yes. Okay. Yes, that was dumb. Not a good idea. Yeah. Don't hunt mooses with spears, guys. It's not good. Okay. Nice golf cart. And I think right here is the bunker. One bunker. Yes. But we need the shovel, and I don't have the shovel yet. Whoa. Okay, I can try to loot this can. Okay. But first I save. Always save, guys. Ah. Where are sticks? And don't forget sticks, guys. For saving. Always grab some. Maybe have 10 always. If you start a journey, I call it a journey. Or go get some loot. Always carry some sticks with you. Okay, wish me luck, guys. Did I make this? Okay. Okay. If I remember correctly, you can kill this mutant without letting him free. Yeah, you just need to attack his knees or something else, not the head. Because, like you see, the I call it the handcuffs. I don't know how to call it. Are on the head area. So just keep attacking the foot or the leg, and then we have first mutant armor. Or I don't know how to call it. In German it's translated to mutant armor. Okay. Always try to, like the mutant, go to the knees. Attack the knees. So maybe they can, how to call it, cripple or something like that. Oh, whoa. Man. Right there, right there. Okay, first one down. Oh. Oh no, not this guy. Yeah, for him it's a tactic to run backwards. Because you see he's sprinting towards you and just go to the right or the left and go backwards. Then you counter him. Yeah. Damn. Yes, perfect, perfect. Okay, I leave the guy alone because YouTube doesn't like what I did to him. Oh no, not the big guy, not the big guy. Oh. Perfect. Okay, now I get the body, that one body, where is he, right there, and make some bone armor. Yeah, for the big guys like you saw, always throw a spear or shoot with a bow in the head and then try to attack the head. Okay. Perfect. Okay. And a tip for you also, guys, if you play like me on ultra hard, how I call it now, make leaf armor. It will very help you at the beginning. Make some leaf armor and bone armor, and then the first day should not be so hard for you. I think for this video I want to get some loot and find my base spot, because I have a base spot in mind, but it's only good in winter. You will see. And thank you guys for the support on the Fallout New Vegas video. For the chances now. I think we have 800 views and 30 likes. Thank you guys, thank you. Oh, whoa, oh my god. Sorry, I got jump scared by this one dude. Whoa, okay, right there. Throw the spear in the leg or in the knee. And then you have him. And also tip, get 2 legs, 2 arms and a head. And then you can make the best soup in the game with a cooking pot. I can show you it later. Oh, okay. Oh man, please tell them move out the way. Okay. Now we go and get the flashlight and the modern axe. And now you probably wonder why I go here. Because I found a trick. If you have a little stone, you can throw it like that, and you have the flashlight without going up there. Oh, I think I get the pistol in the next video. Yeah. Okay guys, I get the modern axe, show you the base spot and the soup, and this will be part 1 of the ultra hardcore, the ultra survival series. Where is it? I always forget where is it. Ah, right there. Always keep your eyes open, guys. Don't make a mistake like me. Okay, wait. Where's the music? I hope that the music is not copyrighted. Here's the cooking pot. If you didn't spawn on the beach and didn't take the machete, okay. Okay guys, now I'm going to show you my base spot, and then I'm showing you the soup, and this will be part 1. And if you want, you can comment what game you want to see. I can tell you already, Geometry Dash will be not a good idea. I don't know if you heard it, all the levels or the songs are copyrighted. It's not worth. So I'm sorry if some of you wanted to have some Geometry Dash, but it will not happen. Oh, I didn't notice this guy. Okay, you already can see the, how do you call it in English, the I don't know. The size of the sea, and maybe now you have this. I'm sorry guys for my English. It's just I have some school English, and and in Germany the school English is very bad. Okay, this is the base spot. Now you wonder, why do you build here? You have not so much space. This base will be so great in the winter, because the water will get frozen, and then you can place or build your base, you know. Okay, now I will show you the soup, what I mean. Oh, oops, but you can build a base here, also on the river, on this side, before the winter is there. Okay. Yes, cooking pot. Okay, so if you have the requirements, so the 2 arms, the 2 legs and 1 head, you can make a Greg stew. You get the yellow things, I think strength, better hiding, and you can chop trees down very fast. Yes, like that. Okay guys, so I hope you enjoyed it. Leave a comment if you like, or and I will see you in the next part.